Educational audiologists have a lot of technology that they need to manage on behalf of children with hearing loss. Here at Cochlear, we work with two product lines. We have the Nucleus Cochlear Implants and Baha Systems. We know that educators in the schools deal with a lot of different technology on a regular basis, and so we're proud to introduce the Cochlear Educator Guide that will provide technological support and help with fitting, selection, and monitoring of devices for children in the schools with Nucleus Cochlear Implants and Baha Systems. It's available from your local Cochlear representative. The Cochlear Mini Mic 2 Plus is an affordable and portable alternative to remote microphone technology. It offers a significantly improved signal-to-noise ratio over the standard cochlear implant microphone, and it allows for children to hear their best in the schools. It is portable, it can be taken from school to home to sports and back to school again, and it offers a great alternative for most students in the classroom. We're very proud to introduce the Cochlear Classroom Plus Connectivity Kit and the Cochlear Classroom Plus Monitoring Kit. The Cochlear Classroom Plus Connectivity Kit is available for students and schools who'd like to try Mini Mic 2 Plus as a remote microphone technology in their classroom. It offers a lot of resources as well as the Mini Mic 2 Plus itself. The Cochlear Classroom Plus Monitoring Kit offers all the tools needed to confirm and assess any fittings for children with Nucleus or Baha technology. It includes monitor earphones for Nucleus processors as well as a test rod for Baha sound processors so that educators and teachers can listen to the microphones and make sure that everything's working well. It also includes a Ling 6 sound toy kit for teachers, educational audiologists, speech pathologists, anyone who works with children all day long. So when I'm talking with folks in the schools, the thing they're concerned about most is clear and consistent access to sound, as well as a child's ability to hear in background noise. Classrooms are noisy places, and kids are often very noisy in the classroom. How do we know that the Cochlear Mini Mic 2 Plus is offering us that improvement in signal-to-noise ratio that kids need? Well, we can look at the data. When clinicians ask, there are three main studies that I like to refer them to. Marion Jones did a study in 2017, Raza and colleagues also in 2017, and Dr. Jace Wolf in 2015. Those references are available at the end of the video. In each of these studies, the Cochlear Mini Microphone 2 Plus has been shown to offer significant advantages in background noise, in some cases outperforming traditional remote microphone technology. Here at Cochlear, we have a wealth of resources available for you to support those who are working in the schools. Please visit our website to find YouTube videos, instruction manuals, and even the Communication Corner, which can help with rehabilitation. We also have Audiology Online courses available. Please check out our Audiology Online channel for a list of resources and courses. We'd love to hear from you about additional courses you'd like to see here on Audiology Online.